This item is a review item that I got gifted, and we are going to do the review together. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. If you are an OG subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you're just passing by, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. Also ring the bell button so you can get notified every time I post. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. We're doing a DIY lip balm. This item is from Urban Kangaroo. Urban Kangaroo is basically a DIY website. They have goat milk soap, bath bombs, moisturizing creams, lip balms, just like the one that we're doing. Also, this product is sold in Amazon, but it's currently unavailable. I'll leave both links down in the description below for your purchasing pleasure if you want. The link you're gonna see down below is just a general link for the website. I do not have any kind of code or anything. Let's start. Here is the box, the instructions, and then they tell you what they have in here. Grapeseed oil, shea butter, beeswax, peach flavored oil, and vitamin E capsule, stirring stick, a dropper, and then last but not least, the shells for us to put the product in. The shells come empty and they have like the cutest pastel colors.
Hell yeah. Oh hell yeah.
What do we need for this project? A microwave safe cup and a dish towel. Let me get those items. Okay, let's read the instructions. We are going to combine grapeseed oil, beeswax, and the shea butter from the tin. Microwave the cup in 5-second increments and stir in between until all ingredients have completely melted together.
Long haul, bud.
When time stands still.
Ta-da! Finally!
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Okay, now that our beeswax is completely melted into this thing, we better work quickly. So let's see what's next. Add the peach flavored oil and the vitamin E oil. Oh no, there's some blobs over here.
You stupid.
It's losing its heat. I'm probably just going to put another 5 seconds in the microwave. Seems like there are no clumps in there anymore. So let's try to work quickly. Now we go for the tin because we still have leftovers. We finished filling everything up. Everything's already kind of getting hard again. So it was making a little bit like a middle air bubble. I covered the hole. Clearly everything loses its temperature really quickly, so you gotta work fast because look at the pipette. It has a lot of dried up stuff in there. So this is a lot of products that you lose if you are not fast enough. Let's wait until this cools down and then we'll talk about it and test it out. Right, it's been about 10-15 minutes. I'm back here with the final result. Let's see how it is right now. This is what it fits inside of these little things. awesome. Let's test it out. It feels a little chunky right now because my finishing is not perfect. It's pretty sturdy. Now the tin one, also almost completely dry. It looks really nice and moisturizing. So you guys can see like the shine on my finger. It's coming out easily. Let's talk about the review. I'm pretty happy that now I have with just one kit 4 chapsticks in one tin. That's great value, and this tin holds a whole lot. The amount of product that comes on the kits, amazing. I am very pleased with it. The negative parts, in my opinion, it felt like forever to get that beeswax to melt.
Do you know how many hours it took me?
All in all, it probably took me about 15 minutes to get everything done. The biggest negative for me is that I cannot smell any peach at all. I actually feel like it's very strongly wax scented. I think that the wax that came with the product overpowered the peach scent, and that didn't do any good to the product.
I think it looks natural.
But in the end of the day, this is a lot of moisture that you get for somewhat of a reasonable price. Yeah! It's a fun process, and this could be something to do as a hobby now that we are all home, right? I think this is it, you guys, for me on this DIY video. If more DIY videos is something you guys are interested in, let me know in the comments below, and I will make sure to get more DIY products so we can get them done here in the channel together. They are really fun to do, actually. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the time. Make sure to subscribe before you go. Ring the bell button so you can get notified every time I post. Like this video so I can make sure that I give you guys more content like this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys on the next upload. Bye. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because okay. So Instagram, DIY, goat milk soap, goat milk soap, goat milk soap. What is it called? What is it called? Associate? Partner? So don't mind my nails because quarantine. No manicure. I'm gonna make this $1. Maybe I can use this to make $1. Let's try. Yeah. You need to stop spinning. Why are you? Why? I think it's worse. I don't know what to do. Okay. We are going to combine beeswax, the grapeseed oil, the shea butter from the tin in the microwave safe cup. Oh! Of course I did this. Of course I did this. It wouldn't be my video if something didn't fall somewhere. Let's go. Stir the mixture. Stir the mixture. Use the pipette. Use the pipette to transfer the mixture into the tubes. Oh, I should have washed this. I forgot. Hi guys, how you doing? Having fun yet? Amount of products that comes on. The amount of products that comes on the stick. Oh, the stick. If more DIY videos is something you guys. Am I done?